Every time we hear the word automation, we are scared that is something that's going to replace the human touch. It's going to take the human away from the business. But it's totally the opposite. Automation and AI are there to help your team to become more efficient, to give you an extra hand, especially during the holiday season. Today, we're going to go through 4 different areas that you could automate very easy. Hopefully, it's going to help you a lot during the season. People like to be reminded that the holidays are here. And we love to open these holiday emails, but as soon as we notice that it's just a mass email marketing campaign, we delete it straight away. We don't even open it. There are a lot of tools that are going to allow you to get your emails out of your personal email address. So people will think and feel that you're personalizing each email. Try to segment these emails in different sections so you can focus on specific needs of different segments of your customers. So if someone bought something before, remind them that you know that they bought that. Someone's been looking at certain products in your page, remind them that you know that they're looking for that. So they will feel that you're talking directly to them. With social media, it's a very similar situation. We're not all the time creative, and we have to create content that keeps people coming back to our social media every day. There are a lot of tools that are going to allow you to schedule different dates and different posts for different occasions. So make sure you choose a tool that allows you to pick all of your social media into one place, and you can create enough content in advance when you feel creative. So prepare for Christmas, prepare for Black Friday, prepare for Cyber Monday at the time that you're creative the most. And all those posts are going to come out at the right time and the right place. Now, connecting with your customer in a fast and helpful way is very hard. There are tools like live chat that will allow you to connect with them straight away. Live chat offers a lot more than just a little chat window. It's a way to connect with your client very, very quickly. So if someone has a question, you're there to answer. If you don't know how to answer, live chat allows you to create pre-made answers that you can quickly go back and look for them and reply to your customer. Don't forget that during the season, it's not all about buying, but it's a lot of support needed, a lot of refund that might be coming. So get your team ready with tools like live chat that will allow them to connect and talk to the client one-on-one. Like we mentioned before, AI is something that we're still a bit scared of, but there are tools like chatbot.com that will allow you to create a chatbot that it will talk to the people while you cannot. If you're busy doing something else, or there are different times, or you're trying to sell something in Australia while doing business in the US, the chatbots can help you to connect with different people at the right time. So it's an easy way to create a list of different answers or a list of different ways to connect with the customer without you being there. So give it a try with chatbot.com. So as you can see, automation will be there just to make everything move faster, everything more efficient. The idea of automating stuff is just to take some of the stress off your team during the season. Let us know how automation is working for you. See you next time.